how to find the clipboard on Android. So first of all, let me open up my keyboard. You can see that my keyboard has appeared. In order to find the clipboard, all you want to do is click on the sticker icon right here. The option of clipboard will be visible to you. Tap on it. In this page, you'll be able to see all of the text that you have copied. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Now let's say you want to find the clipboard on a default keyboard. First of all, you need to change your keyboard to default keyboard. Well, your keyboard has been successfully switched to your default keyboard. Click on this icon over here, and then simply click on this clipboard icon. All you want to do is tap on turn on clipboard. Once you have enabled the clipboard, well, all of the recent text that you have copied will be stored here, and you'll be able to use it anytime. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to find clipboard on Android. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching until the end.